This is the Arrowhead Brass PK6012LK or loose key style stem assembly for the Arrowhead Brass 450 series faucet. Now the PK6012 or 6012 LK, it is for a 12-inch wall thickness faucet. Now we'll take a couple measurements of the stem. Just keep in mind when taking measurements of them, you want to make sure that this rubber piece or the check assembly is pressed into the body of the stem because it will pop in and out. Just make sure when taking the measurement it is pressed in. We'll lay that down here. Make sure that's pressed in. It's kind of hard to see from that way, so we'll lay it down this way. Alrighty, so from tip to tip, so into the check assembly to the end where the handle, or in this case the loose key, will attach to turn the faucet on or off. You can see right here at the tip measures right at about 16 inches. So this is the, once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK6012 loose key stem assembly.